Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your OTS.com app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on account down here. You just click here on account, it's going to take you to this list. And all you have to do, just click here on communications, just click on it here. You come to next CPR, then you click here on OTS.com, just click on it. You come to this list and all you have to do, just go down here. You come here to partners offers from us, you just click on it here. Then come to this list and you click in this sign or this color here from email. Like we say, partners offers from us, email notifications disable with us now. You click here on update, then it's going to save with you. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.